everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you this travel bag by Mountain Travel Products. Now this thing actually holds a lot of stuff. It's a smaller size travel bag, but it's crazy how much stuff you can actually fit into this. So this kind of reminds me of like one of these type of lunch boxes, but it has all these really cool little pockets inside that are waterproof, and it even has like this cool little handle on it. So the first thing you probably want to know about this bag is it's not a full-size travel bag. So this will not hold full-size bottles of like shampoo and stuff. That's not what you really can do with this. This is more for like travel size shampoos. It will hold full-size deodorants and a bunch of other things, and I'm going to show you everything I've got in here. So first thing, just to give you an idea of the size of this bag, it's about 7 inches tall and about 3 inches wide. So I'm going to take it down low and show you guys everything that I have fit in here, which is actually kind of crazy. So this is your bag up close. So it has this very nice thick carry handle, and your zipper starts here and goes all the way around. And the zipper works very well. So then you're gonna open it up and see everything inside. I love this handle, and I will show you how you can hang this. It fits perfectly on the door. And it also will fit on your shower rod. It's like kind of like bendy a little bit, so it will fit over different things. But it fits, I think it's actually meant, and it fits perfect over a door. I like how they put this little extra pocket here on the top where the hanger is. It has a zipper here that opens up with a little net mesh here. I think it's the perfect place to put some Q-tips or hair ties, which is what I have in here. And then you have this area here that zippers up, open. And this in here is like where you would want to put all your stuff that possibly could leak or that gets water on it. This has like a fabric inside that if something were to spill, it wouldn't get all over the place. You can open it up very wide to get things out of there. It's not like it's real small in there. You can get in there and get a lot of things out. All of the zippers seem to work well on here. Then in this area, you have 3 different pockets that you can put all kinds of different things in that you want. And these pockets are also lined with like a shiny waterproof fabric here. You can put multiple things in these pockets. It's especially perfect for these little travel size shampoos and things. They fit perfectly in here, and more than one. I could probably fit 3 of them in there. And then you have the pocket at the bottom. So this pocket right here is a mesh, and it holds thick things here. See, you can put full-size bottles in here, just not full-size shampoo bottles. So I have my detangler, medicines, moisturizers, deodorant, perfumes. Now I could probably even fit more in here, which I already have a lot in here, but I could probably fit even more in here if this had the ability to go wider. But I think I've got about as much as I could probably fit in here. So there's everything all put inside of there, all nice and neat and all organized. So this is everything that I was actually able to fit into this small, tiny little bag. All of this, we've got everything we're gonna need. All the soaps, thermometers, nail clippers, razors, essential oils, detangler spray, whatever you decide to put in here, but it actually holds a lot of things. For being such a small bag and folding up into such a small thing, and being so convenient to just take out and hang up into the hotel room when you get there. So I'm pretty impressed with how much it actually can hold. And I wouldn't doubt that it could probably hold a little more smaller things. So one of the things that I am super impressed with is how easy this hook will hang on to your doorknob. It's the perfect size. It just clips right onto there. So this is the towel rack in my bathroom, and you can see it also fits onto these no problem. It's like a stretchy plastic type hook, but very heavy. And it hangs onto there as well. So I know personally for me, when I use it, I'm going to be using it onto the doorknob. So you can see everything is right here and easily accessible for you to get to. So I do think this travel bag is really great. I mean, what's in here could last us weeks. There's enough shampoo, conditioner, and everything for my family of 5 for at least a week. So, you know, I'm pretty happy with this bag. I think the construction is very heavy duty. The fabric they use on the outside is very heavy canvas. I like that it's waterproof in certain areas. I really like this pocket at the top for smaller things so you don't have to go digging inside of the pocket. One thing I did notice is it's a little hard to get to the zippers over here when you have this folded out. So I just fold it back right here on the sides while it's open and hanging on the door and being used. And that way it's much easier to open. Like I said before, everything is very clearly visible. You know, you're not trying to search through tiny pockets. It's very, very open, and the zippers work very well to close it back up. And same thing with this bottom here. You know, everything, these pockets open up extremely wide so you can get in there and get what you want out. So what makes this so great is it's small enough to fit inside of your suitcase without taking up a lot of extra room, but you can put everything you're going to need for weeks in this bag. It holds all of your essentials and more. So this would be good for taking on airplanes or camping trips or anything where you're not gonna have a ton of space to be lugging things around. So that's what's so great about having such a small bag that can hold a lot of stuff. So I hope you've enjoyed hearing everything I've learned about this travel organizer. I hope I've helped show you some more details about what this all is about and how well it will actually work for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.